Alright guys, hey, check it out. We're going to look at the Syma X22W FPV real-time. It's a 4-channel remote control quadcopter. So let's get this out of the box and see what we got. Alright guys, so here it is out of the box. Syma X22W. And here's the phone clip. And attach it right into here, and you can put your phone right into this clamp here. So here's the power button for the controller, and turn it on, bind it up and down, calibrate down and to the right. And if you kind of happen to crash it and start all over, down and to the left. Back here is the I think it was the flips. Back in the back here to do the flips. This is takeoff and landing, like that. And it's a pretty good manual here. And so let's see, it takes 4 AA batteries, and I got some charged, and that's about it. These doesn't signify anything for these, so these are, I guess, dummy buttons. We'll check it out though. Got a little stuffy runny nose today. It's awful windy and cool here in where I live. So there's the controller. Get your bag of goodies, extra set of props, your Phillips driver, and a charging cable for a dual battery hub. Comes with 2 batteries, which is cool. So you just you got your connector there, so just plug her in there, plug the other in. It's got one of those pin type connectors. Plug that in, plug it to your computer, or a adapter for the wall. So that's pretty cool. Get 2 batteries. All right, here's the drone itself. Let's pull out the battery. There's the battery, and it's a 3.7 400 milliamp. 3.7 400 milliamp. I think you can see that there, yeah. All right. Let's plug this back in. And you know, it snaps in like that. So you just turn it on. It's got some, of course, some lights, you know, in the front and back, green in the back, red in the front. And it comes with the camera. That's what I've been always wanting to get this one, but I never have until now. So let's turn that off. As you can see, the box shows a white one, but I got a red one. And the red one is fine with me. It's pretty cool. So anyway, there's the Syma X22W. We'll take it for a flight here shortly, and we'll check it out. So, all right, guys. Take care. See you later. Also, guys, I wanted to you have to open up the Syma Go app and to connect it to the drone, so you can record your videos onto your phone, and because there's no SD card on the quad itself. So download the Syma Go app and get it connected, and you're all set. So Alright, we'll take her for a flight here. Another flip. Seems like I have to, it's hard to hold the controller end. Forward flip. Now let's do a backwards one. There we go. Right on. It's got 2 speeds. Get 2 beeps. There's a second speed. Nothing tremendous, but it is a little faster. And go back to 1. Let's go back and forth here. There ain't no way I'm going to take it outside. I'll definitely lose it in this wind. I mean, it'll probably crash into somebody's trailer or something. I don't think it'll do any damage, but it's not an outside one for me unless it's just no wind. And right now it's got to be, I don't know. Let's say we had a gust here around here about 36 yesterday, but they got a bunch of power outages around here, PG&E and stuff, but not here. We got electricity, which is good. Anyway, just fly this baby around a little bit. It's pretty cool. On. This would be good like for in the winter time. You can, while it's freezing outside, you can bring this thing out and fly it in the warm, nice inside. I don't know what the dog's gonna do. Probably get scared as heck, but I don't know. We'll see. There's that curtain right there in front, right there, was open earlier, and there was just a blinding light coming in. So I had to close that so I could do this video. But I'll go as long until the battery says no more flying. Another flip, backwards flip, forward flip. Do a right flip. And left flip. Whoa, get back over here, sucker. Whoa! He wants to like kind of dip down a little bit. But up. It's a blinking. So it's about out of gas. I'll go ahead and stop the video because it's about ready to go down. There it goes. And that's it. Syma X22W. Thanks everyone for watching, and please hit the like button, and we shall catch you later. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the day.